Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing the Soundcore Live P2 True Wireless Stereo Earphones. So let's start the unboxing by looking at the front. We've got Soundcore by Anker. Now Anker are a renowned company for making great portable battery chargers that charges your phones and tablets. Live P2 total wireless earphones. We've got crystal clear calls and the Soundcore P2 along with the charging case illustrated at the front. On the side we've got incredible sound loved by over 10 million people, so that is a massive number, and obviously it's a device that a lot of people love and it's a cheap alternative to a lot of expensive true wireless stereo earphones out there. If we look on the back, it says crystal clear calls via 4 microphones with noise reduction, so if you're in a meeting or if you're outside it'll cut out any ambient noise or any wind. So on the earphone you have a acclaimed 7-hour playtime with 40 hours with charging case, so you can charge it around 5.5 times before the battery case and the earphones die. If you're a fitness fanatic and like going to the gym and you're in a hurry, you can charge this bad boy for 10 minutes and it'll give you listening capability of up to 1 hour. Superior sound via graphene drivers, waterproof rating of IPX7, one-step pairing which I'll show you slightly later on in the video. What else is included in the box? So we get the Soundcore Live P2, charging case, ear tips ranging from extra small, small, medium, large and extra large, and a USB-C cable. So the unboxing process is pretty pleasant. You just open the tab at the bottom of the box itself and then reveal the internal contents. So we get the Pebble box, a lot of paperwork, so a quick start guide on how to connect to a tablet, mobile or a laptop. We've got safety information in all different languages. We've got FAQ and support. We also got a document on how do we sound, let them know if it sounds good or not quite as you expected. We've got a USB-C cable that also states powered by Anker. Very good quality cable and something that won't fray easily. We also had the 4 ear tips available for different ear sizes, so you've got the 5th one included. That's inside the box and included with the Live P2 earphone. Now this fit me perfectly. I think they sort of went with a common denominator and tested out on a few people, and that's the one that fit most people's ears. So it's pretty easy to put on. You just put it on, twist and lock, and it stays there pretty well. So even if you're jogging, running about, you shouldn't have any issues with it falling out. So if we quickly look at the main attraction of the show, the Soundcore Live P2, housed in a plastic wrapper. If we take that out, you've got a little piece of information. Get started in 1, 2, 3, 4 easy step. So from your earphones to Bluetooth to your phone connection. Really nice, significant feel to the case as well. Not heavy, but it does feel substantial and fits into your pocket very easily because of the Pebble design. So when you close and open the case, really nice clasp to it. Soundcore Live shows you the model number, capacity of the case, etc. And when we open it up, we can see the right and left earphones labeled correctly. So if you don't know where it goes, just put it back in the case and it will know which ear it goes in. So as I previously mentioned, it does have 5 ear tips. The last one is connected to the earphone itself. The earphone feels decent quality, especially for the price being paid. All plastic design, but it does feel quite solid in terms of construction and something that won't break that easily. So the previous earphones I had from Soundcore were the Liberty Neos. They were really good because the case showed the battery indication of how much juice I had left. So 3 LED lights indicates fully charged, 2 not so much, and 1 is about time to charge. With this one, it blinks when you're charging, blinks white, and then when it's fully charged it will turn it into solid white. I mean, for some it might not make a difference, but I did really like the feature of knowing when my battery is about to die and when it's time for a top up. So quickly going back onto the Soundcore Live P2, it has a very comfortable fit, especially in my ear. I don't have any issues with it and can use it for prolonged amount of time. Enjoyable sound, so when you listen to music or podcast, there's good amount of bass and clarity, and it's very simple to use. And the design is a bit uninspiring because obviously you can tell they tried to go for the AirPod look, but that doesn't bother me. The main thing that matters to me is if it fits in my ear comfortably without it falling out. So at the top part of the earphone we can see the Soundcore logo. It also acts as a multifunctional button, so if you press it once you can turn it off, initiate Bluetooth pairing. So now it has a steady blinking light, which means it's connected to a device. If you hold it down you can turn it off and it will turn red, and then the earphone will turn off. If you hold it down for around 5 seconds, it will go into Bluetooth pairing mode and blink white very fast. So in that case, you just bring up your phone, turn on Bluetooth settings on there, and then look for Soundcore Live P2. Once you've found that, Android will say, would you like to connect? Yes, you connect to the device, and you can allow access to your contacts and call history. And that's pretty much done. Now, because the Live P2 are true wireless earphones, you can use them independently. Also, it has Qualcomm aptX, which means you have 24-bit audio through Bluetooth. And the range on these are quite good as well, because I'd put my phone on my desk, go downstairs to grab lunch or anything like that, or upstairs, and I don't lose any connection, or there's no issue with the audio stuttering. Alright guys, if you made it all the way to the end, then thank you very much for watching. This was a quick unboxing of the Soundcore Live P2 true wireless earphones. If you have any questions, then do hook me up in the comment section below. Leave a like if you thought it was enjoyable, and if you want more tech related content, then do hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. As always, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.